Nintendo EPD recently released the version 1.1.2 patch for The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom, which brings bug fixes to some known issues. It also fixed the popular item duplication or dupe glitch. However, gamers are not happy about this. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. According to reports, multiple The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom players are looking for ways to retain the dupe glitch. This bug allows gamers to multiply items in their inventory with minimal effort. In general, players can get infinite money if they duplicate and sell items with the highest values like diamonds or other rare gemstones. Along with this, one can easily focus on playing and completing the campaign. However, some gamers have been unfortunate as their games updated automatically. Due to this, they are now looking for ways to stop the game from updating itself. And that's exactly why we have compiled a list of methods that you can easily use to retain the item duplication glitch. Firstly, you can try factory resetting your Switch and installing the game without the latest patch. Those who have a physical copy of the game can try archiving it and uninstalling the updates. After this, you need to reinsert the cartridge to get back to the original version. Players who have not yet installed the update can put their console in offline mode and cancel the update prompt when launching the game. You can also disable the Wi Fi on your Nintendo Switch or the automatic update feature itself. Another workaround is to delete all your network information and put a parental lock on your console. Alternatively, you can use the Match Local Version feature on your console to update the original cartridge to version 1.1.1 patch via a secondary console. If nothing works for you, then don't quit the game and try to finish it in one go. With this, we hope that the information provided in this video helps you restore the duplication glitch. We'll update our article about this issue as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.